I'm going to get a new voice because my voice is supposed to be Kayla.
The doctor is here.
Oh, you look like Caitlin's mom.
I know. Now let's get your new voice started. Okay, you're all finished. You can say something.
Hi, I'm Kayla. So how do I sound, doctor?
You sound great. Looks like my work here is done. You guys are feel free to go now.
So you guys, what do you think of my new voice?
You sound great.
I agree with Roger.
Me too.
Okay, now let's go home.